Let's explore 3 legit platforms that are easy to use, beginner friendly, and completely free. These methods are perfect for anyone looking to earn money online without prior experience. First, head over to Listverse, a website that pays $100 for unique and quirky articles. You don't need to be an expert or a professional writer. Just focus on bizarre or interesting topics, write about 1,500 to 2,000 words, and submit your article. Use tools like ChatGPT to draft ideas and add your personal touch to make it original. Once your article is accepted, you'll receive payment directly to your PayPal account. Next, try your luck on Squad Help, a platform where businesses host naming contests. Simply sign up, submit creative name ideas for new companies, and win cash prizes ranging from $100 to $600. Some contests might require a small fee, so choose the free options if you're starting out. Consistency and creativity are key to standing out in these contests. For designers, Hatchwise is another great option. You can earn $50 to $250 or more by submitting logo designs or business names in open contests. Use free design tools like Canva to create professional looking logos. Even if you're new to design, many contests accept beginner friendly entries, so give it a try. Finally, download the CoinBricks app, a play to earn game where you can make money by destroying blocks and collecting coins. The game is simple: shoot white balls at yellow ones to destroy numbered blocks. Each successful hit earns you points which convert to coins. You can also watch short ads for extra rewards. Once you collect enough coins, redeem them via PayPal, Paytm, Binance, or other available options. Start with one platform or try all of them, it's your choice. The key is to take action and stay consistent. These methods are beginner friendly, so why wait? Dive in today and see your efforts turn into real earnings. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more money making tips like this. Your journey to financial freedom starts now.